So today we're going to make the candy called Almond Joy, sweetened coconut flakes. You're going to use like 4 cups. You need a cup of melting chocolate and let it melt down. This is a chocolate warmer, chocolate melter deluxe. So you're going to mix together the coconut flakes and 1 can of condensed sweet milk and mix it together. And then you're going to make on a baking sheet, you're going to use parchment paper, make your little designs for your candy, the shape of the Almond Joy. And then we're going to dip them in the chocolate and then set back on the paper. So we have the shape of our Almond Joys here. So now we're going to dip them into the chocolate, which is there. So you're going to refrigerate these for at least 45 minutes. So now we're about to dip them in the chocolate now. Dip it in the chocolate. Give it a good, call it here. Flip it over. Drop it onto your paper. And just keep doing it. And this last one here. Just, if I can get it out because I'm trying to do it with one hand. But you guys got the picture. And there you have it, guys. Almond Joy candy bars.